2017 can be argued as the year of the trends, from stretched-out 18:9 displays to dual-camera implementations to facial recognition security, all adopted by many of the flagships released this year. And you know what else they adopted? This crazy idea of ultra-premium pricing around the neighborhood of $1,000. However, there's a new phone that adopts all of these newfound qualities, and then some, but without the $1,000 price tag. Enter the OnePlus 5T, the latest high-end smartphone from the Chinese company. At first glance, it could be perceived as a minuscule update, coming only a few short months after the company's previous flagship, the OnePlus 5. But don't be fooled, because if you look at the larger picture, it might astound you to know how the OnePlus 5T stacks up against the giants in the flagship space. In the box: dash power adapter, dash Type-C cable, silicone protective case, OnePlus decals, safety information, user's guide, processor and performance. Just like its sibling from a few months back, the OnePlus 5T leverages the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 SoC. The base model is supported by a generous 6GB LPDDR4X RAM, while the other option boasts an even more monstrous 8GB of RAM. Is it overboard? Maybe, but it surely will turn spec-conscious individuals because of the unprecedented amounts. It's worth noting that the tallies are identical to the OnePlus 5, so while they're higher than most other phones, it's been done already. Regardless, we can attest that the OnePlus 5T runs smoothly, as you'd expect from a phone of its caliber. Even though it exhibits a response we'd classify as smooth and quick, we wouldn't go far to say that it feels snappier in performance than the Google Pixel 2 XL, the gold standard amongst Android smartphones. Nonetheless, it's no slouch either, as it attains some considerable marks in the various processing and graphics benchmarking departments. Available in either 64GB or 128GB capacities, the price difference of $60 between the two is far more comforting than what most other phones command. Expandable storage isn't an option,